Well, continuing now with the Selenium and Python course, we already installed what is Python. Now we are going to install what is Selenium. We are going to open our browser. We already saw how to install. Well, in another video we saw how to be visual, how to configure it. Hear what Well, in the other course, this same video, I used it to be in Catalan. Hear what I would do. First would also be the extensions. I would put the Selenium one. We are going to see Catalan with Selenium. It already gives us from Catalan or deboots generator. We are going to see. We are going to install it. And we are going to see if we have any extension for WebDriver tricks or snippets, and WebDriver extension, so that it helps us to encode some extensions and all that. The next thing we are going to do, already being here, the documentation tells us that to be able to install Selenium in Python we use this command. Here I am doing a file, nothing else. Here in our folders, it calls info to install the WebDriver, and above we are going to put install. I say this, I am going to upload it later. Install Selenium, and here we use the command pip start Selenium, and we already have everything configured. We are going to be able to configure it, and it will be able to give us this function. Okay, many times here it does not pull. Well, we have to encode. Let's see if we can open a terminal. A PowerShell. Let's see if with that in the PowerShell it pulls. Neither in normal terminal. It did not pull either. Well, then what we do is go to CMDIR. It may be this. Okay, we validate that we have Python. Here it is. It does not want to let me out. My keyboard has a little bit of problems, but hey, we are going to validate. CMDIR, we have Python. Sorry, excuse me. And here we are going to install Selenium. Perfect, ready. There it tells us that the Selenium library is already installed, and look, well, here it is telling us that we prefer to make a pip install or update. Let's make this command to update our pip command. There it is. And that's it. With that small and with that simple command, we update both our pip. Here we can use a command called piplist, and there it is. It tells us that we already have Selenium installed, that we already have pip installed or updated, and we are ready to be able to now. In the next video we are going to install the WebDrivers. I hope you are liking it. Take care and God bless you.